everyone, this is Robyn. Welcome to my channel, mypinkstamper.com. I'm so happy that you're with me today. I have a quick and simple project for you. I actually demonstrated this live on my YouTube live video this week, and I thought I would just do a quick shorter version just to show you the fun project so you don't have to watch the whole live video if you're not wanting to do that right now. Okay, so I am going to be working with the Parisian Beauty stamp set, and this is a great project if you are brand new to paper crafting or you want to get into card making. You don't really need much besides the materials that I'm sharing with you today. Okay, so we will just start with the very first stamp in this project, and I'm going to take a piece of our Whisper White cardstock. This is just a scrap piece of 8.5 by 11, and everything you see in today's video can be ordered directly from my shopping page, shop.mypinkstamper.com, and I'll have the item code as well as the item description just to make it super simple for you. All right, so we're going to be using Pool Party Classic Stampin' Pad. I'm going to open that up, and I'm just going to ink this, and I'm just going to stamp it. Okay, now I'm going to take the same stamp and I'm going to grab another piece of Whisper White cardstock. Now this one is cut at 3 3/4 by 5 inches. We're going to be using this as one of the layers on the card. So I'm going to ink this up and I'm just going to stamp it off to the right like that. Okay, super easy. Now I can put away this ink pad. Now the next thing we're going to be stamping is a little piece of our vellum cardstock. If I can grab mine, there we go. This is cut at 1 inches by 5.5, and they come in sheets 8.5 by 11, but I already have this pre-cut for you. I'm going to be using the Memento Tuxedo Black ink with this. Now vellum doesn't dry very quickly and very fast, so what I'm going to do to speed up the process, and you don't have to do this, you can just dab it off and just wait for it to dry. I'm going to be using our clear embossing powder, and then I'm also using our heat tool. So this is just an added step to quicken the drying time, and you don't have to, this dries instantly because it sets it with the embossing powder. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment that says, "Follow your heart, it will take you to incredible places." Put this right here in the middle, and now I can go ahead take this over to my embossing powder. Just shake that off and shake that off. Go ahead and close it while I'm right here. Now I'll take our heat tool, and this is just going to melt the powder on top of the ink, so it basically is dry to the touch, and it gives it a nice little glossy finish. I like to do that when I am stamping on vellum. Just gives it a quicker finish, a nicer finish. Okay, now I'm going to be taking our 2-inch Stampin' Punch, and I'm going to turn it upside down and open it. They lay flat for storage, and open it. And now I'm just going to be simply punching out the top part. I'm going to be doing what's called a spotlight technique for this card, and I'll save that. And now I'm going to grab our 2 1/4 inch circle punch, and I'm also going to do the same thing, but I'm using our Pool Party cardstock. I'm just going to punch that out. And now we can start putting this card together. So I'm going to take the circle punch, or this Eiffel Tower that we just stamped, and I'm using our SNAIL adhesive. And I'm going to go ahead and snail this on here. I'll pop it up in just a second. Now I'm taking a piece of our thick Whisper White cardstock. This is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and just fold this over. And then I'll start layering everything up. I'm going to take some of our beautiful designer series paper. I'll have the name and the item code on the screen. This coordinates with this suite, this stamp set, and there's also a set of dies that coordinate with it. And I have this cut at 1 1/4 by 5 inches. I'll put some of our adhesive on there, and I'm going to just have this go across the left like that. Now I'm going to take this vellum that we stamped on, and I'm going to wrap it around like this. And I'm going to just put some adhesive. Now while it's upside down, I'm going to put some more adhesive, and I'm going to add that to a piece of our Petal Pink cardstock. This is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I'm going to add that right here. Now I'm going to turn this over, and I'm also going to use our SNAIL adhesive, and I'm going to add it to the Whisper White cardstock. Now you can have your card just like this for a more simple card, or we're going to add this, or you can make it, pop it up a little bit with the spotlight. And I'm using our Stampin' Dimensionals, just 3 of them. And these will pop up my image, and we have a fun little spotlight card with the Eiffel Tower, and I'm going to just line that up there. And there we go. There's our card. Here's another one that I made live earlier today. And I hope you like this super quick tutorial. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell, and please leave me a comment about your thoughts on this card. And also don't forget to visit me over on my website, mypinkstamper.com. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.